Greetings and welcome to the Java tutorial series. In this video series we will learn about Java programming. The main purpose of this video tutorial is to make learners more comfortable with Java programming, enhance their understanding in real time. You will learn the first theoretical concepts with examples and video demonstrations for every single Java concept, so you can practice easily on your own. Let's begin with a small set of information about Java, Java syntax, Java and IDE installation. What is Java? It is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language. Programmers can write Java code once, run it anywhere, WORA, meaning that it runs on all platforms that support Java without recompilation. James Gosling developed Java at Sun Microsystems, which has since been acquired by Oracle, in 1995 and released it as a core component of Sun Microsystems' Java platform. Java was created in June 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton. At that time, the digital cable television industry was unable to use Java because it was too advanced for interactive television. The language was originally called Oak, the oak tree that grew outside Gosling's office. The project was renamed Green and then Java from Java Coffee, a type of coffee from Indonesia. Gosling designed Java with a C++ style syntax that system and application programmers would find familiar. Java 17 will be the latest version by October 2021. Java 8, 11 and 17 will be the current long-term support, LTS, versions. In January 2019, Oracle released its last free public update for Java 8 LTS for commercial use, even though it will continue to support Java 8 with public updates indefinitely for personal use. In addition, other vendors are providing free builds of OpenJDK 8 and 11 that still receive security updates. Java Basic Syntax. Java respects case-sensitive syntax. For example, my class and my class have different meanings in Java. A file's name must match its class name in Java. Files saved in Java are in Java format. Java programs must start with the main method. In all cases, the identifier should begin with a letter, A to Z, a currency character, $, or an underscore. Identifiers can have any combination of characters after the first. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Also, identifiers are case-sensitive. Here you can have question what is identifiers. We will learn in future as separate video what is identifier. Let's see basic Java program. Create a class name called myJava, and each line of code must be in that class. The class must contain open and closed flower brackets. Our main method is now written as a public static void main, string, args, and we also use flower brackets to open and close the method. You'll now need to write system out println welcome to Java tutorial within the main method. Compile and run the program now. Future videos will demonstrate how to compile and run the program. Consider program got executed and output of the program in is welcome to Java tutorial. Hope you understand the basic Java program and how to write. In future videos we explore more. If any doubts please leave comment in comment box. We will address your doubts for sure. Now we will see how to install Java and its respective IDE.
Type Java JDK 8 download in browser and click the first link. You can also download any of the Java versions. Find for Windows exe file and click download icon. Oracle, We'll ask you to log into the site. Log in using your username and password. If you don't have, please sign up and log in. Once login success, will download file automatically. Double-click on the downloaded file and follow the steps in the video. Java is successfully installed. Now we'll download NetBeans IDE for this tutorial. We have many Java IDE, you can also use that IDEs. Double-click on the downloaded file and follow the steps in the video. Now we will create a new Java project, as we discussed in the whiteboard theoretically. Also, I will code a basic Java program, and execute and see the result. In the next video, we will learn another basic concept in Java. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.